So, but this is committing an illegal.
Absolutely.
Swap.
When the keys are in your hand, it's your bike.
Thanks, man. So good morning. What a morning, and we're in Småland, Sweden at the ADV Hangout. The second year that we do this. We're about 120 people somewhere there in the woods, and it's just majestic. Look at these wild Swedes coming in. It's still a bit early, but let's go and have a look at the people waking up for breakfast. Good morning, ADV Hangout, rise and shine, motherfuckers!
Isolerer ikke mod i hvert fald.
Okay, scene 2. Runa eating a banana. No.
Grinding the beans and the smells and everything, that was just grumpy as fuck in the morning. You just saw the hair everywhere, and it just leave them be until they had the first cup.
Den här killen också, god morgon.
Morgon.
Är det morgonkaffet?
Har vi teet idag?
Är det te?
Often you see the riders, you go like this and elbows is down and in. On this is not nice. It's more nice when we do it like this and show the butt.
And now the first one goes over first, but this one is already in, which is nice. This one, just push it in, use your body weight. Gentle, always work slowly so it doesn't shoot out into someone's face.
It's nice to be out in nature, huh?
Jeg kigger på opskrifter.
Ja.
This is a really nice looking bike, Robert.
Yeah.
Are you happy with it?
You should know. Yeah, I love this bike. I've done some stuff to it, but yeah, I can't.
So much beautiful stuff on here.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I really like the new stickers.
It's shiny.
Yeah, it's shiny. It's shiny.
It is.
You know what? I have something that's even more shiny than this.
More shiny than this?
Yeah, more bling bling, more shiny.
Okay.
But do you want to have a look?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Look at this.
Oh,
All goldish.
all right.
All shiny.
Yeah, but gold beats silver, right?
Yeah, I think it does. in most competitions, gold is, a little bit above.
Yeah.
That's a level up.
Yeah, it would be a level up.
Would you consider having a gold edition instead of the silver edition?
Having a gold.
A gold edition, yeah.
All right. Hell yeah.
So you know what? I can swap with you.
You want to swap?
Yeah, I can swap. I kind of like that one.
You like
I like all the gadgets and
And I
everything.
get that one.
You can get this one if I get yours.
You serious?
I'm serious.
So, but this is committing an illegal.
Absolutely.
Swap.
When the keys are in your hand, it's your bike.
Thanks, man. Let's go gold.
Let's go gold.
I thought I had the easy job. I got the short straw. I have 3 kids, but I can't find the hose. So Matthias, you're going out on the Baldinger bike.
Yeah, the Baldinger.
Yeah, and I got this shiny thing. Yeah.
So let's rock and roll.
Fan att jag inte har någon kamera.
får köra bakom mig.
Absolut. Oh, in the camp.
Även pappa trillar ju ibland.
Oops.
I skogen kan man ha något förbannat roligt, ska jag tala om för dig. Här kan man fan skita ner sig riktigt ordentligt och välta och skratta i alla olika toner man kan få. Och jag heter inte Malin Åhl, jag är hennes alias.
Nice.
Märke. Det här är sjukt.
Ja, det är den ja.
Jag har kört till campen. Tror jag. Fan, vilken fin pinne du har i bak, sticker ut. So that's the ADV Hangout. Just informal, casual meeting in the woods. Everyone cooks their own dinner. It's about sharing knowledge from experienced riders to newcomers, and hang around, have a few beers, ride in these fantastic trails at Steve's place. And now it's last evening, and just enjoy the rest of it. Vi kommer behålla lite till.
Simple when I'm changing lane. I ain't going back. No, I ain't going back. No, I won't go back to where I've been before. Living hungry, broken, cold, but life's an open road. Gonna go out with my foot down on the floor. That's what I feel. Look back in my rearview mirror. Nothing there but more of the same. No, I never look back in my rearview mirror. Never simple when I'm changing lanes. Or when you've been in trouble and you don't know where to go, to stand up tall and haul your heavy load.
I love stepping outside evenings like this and just listen to the sound of everyone. This is people having fun. Yeah. See you tomorrow. Mr. Brappen Camp, packing up. Mr. Packing Camp. How was your weekend?
Oh, it was Brappen Camp for sure. Wonderful enduro trail, but most of all these people.
Oh, you had the double thingy.
Yeah.
Were you alone in it?
Yeah, I had all my gear at that part and sleeping on that part. And I actually brought it because there was one here who tried it with the dog.
Oh!
So just for demo actually, but I happened to sleep in it as well.
Did it work with the dog?
The thing is, we have not tried it yet, so
Okay.
that's the next part for now. So we will try it. I have had my own dog in the single version.
Oh, cool. Here she goes. Oh. Bye bye, baby. So people are leaving after is it three nights of ADV Hangout. Sunday is a bit of a ADV hangover, but we just blew the alcometer and it's 0.0, so that's good. And I'm going home on a bike that I didn't arrive on. That's the first, and it's a good deal for both of us, I hope. So yeah, it's true. It actually happened. It's not a gimmick. So I'm riding home on the gold. Yeah, ADV Hangout for next year. It's gonna happen again, of course. A lot of focus on beginners learning things. We have workshops and everything for that. So, and just hanging out. Everyone cooks their own food. So it's not a fancy event, it's adventure together. So yeah, have a look, or it's we announce it on social media. Just there's no website, nothing. Just follow my channel and Backroads or Brappen Camp or Thomas and Runa and stuff like that. And Probably May next year, 27 again. So I'm heading home. Thanks for watching. Ciao.